proses pembongkaran mesin motor smash. Kerusakannya yaitu engkolnya atau kickstarternya ngikut putaran mesin, guys. Mari kita lihat prosesnya.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Oke guys, kita sudah ketemu dengan penyakitnya guys. Pas engkolnya sudah aus, mungkin gara-gara kekurangan oli guys. Di sini bisa lihat posisinya itu ada satu gear guys. Ini gearnya, ini gear seharusnya putarnya lancar guys, tapi gara-gara ada gores karena aus di sini, jadi putarannya macet guys. Akhirnya asnya diganti guys. Ini yang baru guys. Oke guys, hari sudah malam. Akhirnya selesai juga motornya. Engkolnya sudah baik